Hi guys, Chicky here. Welcome back to my channel. Today on this episode, I'm going to show you how to make this incredibly easy restaurant quality French fries. Well, I know what you're thinking. Homemade fries are probably the most easiest thing to make at home. But again, let us just admit, in reality, a lot of us, we just end up with fries that's soggy, limp, or burnt on almost all occasions. So, if you're one of those people who can never get that perfect crispy on the outside but tender on the inside kind of fries, then this video is for you. To start off, get 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes that's been rinsed and evenly slice them. Next, instead of soaking it for 10 to 15 minutes, just rinse it off 3 times in a row. These actually helps you get rid of all that extra starch that's in the potatoes. Then add an egg, a little salt, and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or corn flour. Mix till all potatoes are well coated. Now that you're done coating those potatoes, get a pan, pour 500 ml of oil and lightly fry them. Once done, set it aside and let it cool for a minute or two. In case if you have any leftover batter from earlier, instead of just throwing it away, use it as a second coating, but again, it's totally optional. Time to throw them back in oil, deep fry them till it's golden brown or till the potatoes look crisp. And it's done. You can eat them right away with some dipping sauce, but both my niece, they like it better when it's coated in gravy, so yeah, I'm gonna make some gravy. For these, you'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Make sure to keep the flame to medium-high. Add the finely sliced garlic, onions, tomatoes, and even few slices of green chilies if you want, and stir fry on medium heat till everything turns translucent. Also, add some tomato sauce and soy sauce along with a teaspoon of corn flour, salt, and water mixture. Then, throw in the fried potatoes and mix it well. Once done, top it with some additional tomato sauce or any seasonings of your choice, and then it's ready to be served. Lastly, if you like fries as much as these kids do, check out my version of tornado potato, which is equally easy to make at home. I'll make sure to link the video in the description below.